How's it going? Todd here from Honestly Yum, and today Karen and I are going to be making my new favorite summertime coffee drink, a creamy horchata iced coffee using the Vitamix Air Disc container. Summertime is all about the cold foams. I'm sure you've seen it everywhere at cafes. I really love about this product is you can get a subtle thickness to a foam, like a light foam, easy drinking, or you can really get a rich, velvety foam. And the Air Disc container is so versatile. Obviously it makes cold foams, but it also emulsifies and muddles, and it just goes right on top of my existing Vitamix. So I don't have to worry about getting a whole new big kitchen appliance to try to find space for in the counter. This is the Air Disc container. As you can see, it doesn't have a normal Vitamix blade inside, but we have a disc, and that's gonna allow the aeration to happen when we add our ingredients in there and give us our foam. We're making horchata, so generally horchata traditionally is a long process. We're gonna kind of cheat that, and we want something quick for the morning. Right. So we're gonna start out with some almond milk. We're gonna 3/4 cup almond milk because we're making this for 2. 1/4 cup of rice milk, just to get that rice flavor you think of when drinking horchata. Close it back up. And we are going to start this up. Okay, so we stop it after about a minute, and we're just gonna open up the plug right there. And now we're going to add our cinnamon, because that's why we love horchata so much, because of the cinnamon. So we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon or so. And then we're gonna be doing our iced coffee. So we're gonna do 8 ounces of iced coffee, go for it. And then we're just gonna let that go again. And just at the end, I'm just gonna do about 4 tablespoons of a 1-to-1 simple syrup to sweeten. Obviously, you can do this to taste. And then just a couple pulses to mix the simple syrup. All right, and here we are. The creamy horchata iced coffee to really get you going with a nice cold foam. And we're gonna garnish with a little bit of cinnamon on top.
That looks really good.
All right, and there you have it. So we can share this experience. Cheers.
Oh my gosh.
That works.
It's really good.
Enjoy.